This is Code.org, and I'm currently working on the accelerated course. I'm on the lesson, The Maze. Dear person, me zombie, me hungry, must get to Sunflower. Can you get me there with only 5 blocks? Only 5 blocks is a bit of a hint. So with only 5 blocks, what we want to be doing is using a repeat loop. A loop is what runs code over and over. So I'm going to grab this, and now I have 2 blocks out here. Okay, now any code inside this pink block is going to keep repeating until this is met. So until the zombie is at the flower, right, it just keeps going over and over. So for example, if I put left and hit run, I'm going to turn left, hits the bottom, goes back, turns left and left and left, and spins forever. Because I'm just going to keep going left until I get to this flower. So obviously, we don't just want to go left. Let's go ahead and try moving forward and then maybe moving left. And I'm going to hit run because you can test things out a lot. Let's see where that gets us. Okay, now we go back and we repeat, and now up, I hit the wall. All right, it looks like I'm going to need a... Okay, so after I turn left, I want to move forward and turn right. Okay. And it looked like I was already moving forward before, but that's because it goes back and it repeats. So we will need an additional move forward. Let's try. Woohoo! We did it! Let's keep going.